So we were 25 years old, maybe 30 years old, the firm was, and was on Thomson Reuters UltraTax and Practice CS, Go File Room for document management. And then we were using Citrix ShareFile to send and receive documents. Those were the core products. We were growing and we were recruiting talent, and we would get a new hire in, and I'd have to start thinking about, how in the world do I train this person effectively? So I was trying to develop some form of repetitive, scalable training process, and realized that there were 5 to 7 different systems that I was having to ask new hires to learn. And I was sitting there one day and I thought, there has to be a better way to do this. Why can't something just do all of this? Having 7 different systems to manage an accounting firm, I thought was pretty far-fetched. I wanted it to be online, web browser based, and I wanted to consolidate. We really found at the time there wasn't anything that really did any of that. Thomson Reuters had a product called Onvio. We did a demo and it just didn't work for what we were looking for. So I reached out to who became a co-founder, Clay Lehman. We were mutual friends from a mutual client. And I just expressed some frustrations about where I was and had him do some research. And he came back with the same concept of, there's really nothing out on the market that'll do what you want to do. You're either going to have to build something for your firm, or you just keep doing what you're doing. So that's really when we got to a decision point. Okay, we're going to have to build something or accept that there's really not a better way. So we started talking about how we could build something for our firm that would solve those problems. Thomson Reuters has been the trusted partner, and still is, even for my firm. We still use their accounting product. But the practice management piece, known as Practice CS for Thomson Reuters, Firm360 for our world, it's literally the heartbeat of the firm, right? If you look at the human anatomy, like your hands do work. That's UltraTax. That's the working part. But Practice CS, Firm360, that's the heartbeat. That's where everything comes together. And if it stops, you have a real problem. Your hands will not work without that piece. Your clients cannot get their tax return and get their documents to you without that practice management piece. If it doesn't make accountants' lives better, we're not interested in it.